All right, here we go. Group break 88, guys. No trades were made. Gershie stick with the Ducks on top. All the way down to Griffey Man with the Jets on the bottom. Thank you all for filling. This is group break 88. We will start with, let's start with the tin. We'll go tin select. Go tin select, SP game used, and then O-Pee-Chee Platinum to finish it off. Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin on top. Flova, I assume he won't want it. But if you do want it, Flova, just send me an email. I can send it out. Usually I just donate those to the kids, guys. Tyler Johnson canvas for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Tampa Bay Lightning. Jesus, I'm all over the place today. Brock McGinn for the Carolina Hurricanes, O-Pee-Chee rookie. Yeah, Griffey, man, I am tired. Not gonna lie, very tired. Nick Shore, UD Portraits, LA Kings. It's been a long few weeks, that's for sure. It's starting to wear on me. Chandler Stevenson, rainbow for the Washington Capitals. Matt O'Connor, O-Pee-Chee rookie for the Ottawa Senators. Andrew Hammond, not Young Gun, UD Canvas, that was last break for the Ottawa Senators. Program of Excellence for the Vancouver Canucks, Brendan Gauntz. Vancouver Canucks is Kid TNT. Brendan Gauntz for the Vancouver Canucks, Young Gun. Daniel Sprong, UD Portraits for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Mike Green, O-Pee-Chee Retro for the Detroit Red Wings. UD Jersey, Derek Stepan. And a Young Gun of Noah Hanifin for the Carolina Hurricanes. Did we get 3 regular Young Guns in that? Or just 2? Gauntz. Yeah, I just got 2 regular Young Guns plus the Gauntz Program of Excellence. Alright. Let me go through and double check that I didn't miss a Young Gun by accident. Alright guys, on to Select Mini. What's up, Jason? Keith Yandel, rainbow for the Arizona Coyotes. Oh no, sorry to hear that. Sami Vatanen, jersey auto, numbered 170 of 199 for the Anaheim Ducks, and grocery stick, Sami Vatanen auto. Ben Hananowski, rookie for the Calgary Flames. I think it's Flames. Yep. Fire on Ice, Tyler Toffoli for the LA Kings. And a Henrik Sedin rainbow for the Vancouver Canucks. Ryan Garbutt, Youth Explosion auto for the Dallas Stars. Dallas Stars is Flova. And final pack from the Select Mini is freezers of Jacob Markstrom for the Florida Panthers, and a Nicholas Blanchard, rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes. All right, into the hobby boxes. We got 1415 Series 1 077. Holy, sticky. For the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar, Shining Stars Blue. Riley Smith, UD Canvas for the Boston Bruins. Patrick Brown for the Carolina Hurricanes, Young Gun. All base in that one. All base in that one as well. Nice. That's the one you want to hit. Oilers. Grocery stick. Leon Draisaitl. Young Gun. Here you go, buddy. Nice hit, sir. Nice hit. It's the one you want to hit right now. Not bad as well for the Chicago Blackhawks, Kid TNT, Teuvo Teravainen, Young Gun. Back right corner has a little tiny whitening. Can't see it in the light. Don't know if you can see it. There's just a tad bit of whitening on the back. Front looks pretty good though. I don't know. Take a closer look. It looks... Yeah, Draisaitl's going for over $100. That's why I said it's a nice hit. Damian Severson, Young Gun for the Jersey Devils. Nice. For the Bruins, Young Gun exclusive, 58 of 100, Alexander Kokhlichev, Sibley and the Bruins. Too bad this guy's playing in Europe, or KHL. Oh, I thought there was something on the card there. It's part of the card. Nice box thus far, an exclusive. UD game jersey, Ben Scrivens for the Edmonton Oilers. What's up, Master Nick, 1979. Hockey Heroes, Martin Brodeur for the New Jersey Devils. Claude Giroux, Shining Stars for the Philadelphia Flyers. Vincent Trocheck, young gun for the Florida Panthers. God, these cards are terrible. How's it going, man? Nice. Young Gun Canvas checklist between the Florida Panthers and the Buffalo Sabres. Griffey Man has the Sabres, and Florida Panthers is Terry Berry. Randomize that off at the end of the break for that one, guys. Nice box. Nice box. Pekka Rinne, UD game jersey for the Nashville Predators. Steve Yzerman, Upper Deck Hockey Heroes for the Detroit Red Wings. Anze Kopitar, Shining Stars for the LA Kings. UD Canvas, Valerie Nichushkin. You were at the Bonzer card show and you didn't say come say hi to me? What's wrong with you? I was there, Jason, set up. Alexander Steen, Shining Stars for the St. Louis Blues. Oh, nice. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, clear cut captains. Case hit right there. Dion Phaneuf. Very solid box here. Very solid box. Oh. Joey Hishon for the Colorado Avalanche, young gun. And final hit, oops, is a UD Canvas Max Pacioretty. All right. All right, 14-15 SB Game Used. Box number is 339. Bogdan Yakimov, 412 of 499 for the Edmonton Oilers. SB Game Used rookie jersey. Andrew Ladd for the Winnipeg Jets jersey. Teuvo Teravainen, SP Game Used rookie jersey, 267 of 499 for the Chicago Blackhawks. For the Chicago Blackhawks, 21 of 35, Adam Glendening, draft day marks. For the Chicago Blackhawks, and is that a 130 or 180? Almost too big for 180, but too small for 130. And Team Canada, number 9 of only 25. The stamp is a little off there. Stick card, Wayne Gretzky. It will go to the Edmonton Oilers since that's the team he played the most games with as per our rules. Congrats, Edmonton. Nice hit there. Nice hit there. 2 nice hits for Edmonton. All right, guys. Last box is OPG Platinum. It's 368. All right, here we go. 16-17. Hope to pull a Matthews for Ben. For the New Jersey Devils, orange, rainbow, number 3 of 49, Pavel Zatka, and a Patrick Laine marquee rookie for the Jets. Retro of Henrik Zetterberg for the Detroit Red Wings, and an Auston Matthews marquee rookie for the Leafs. Sidney Crosby logo crest for the Pittsburgh Penguins. David Backes rainbow for the Boston Bruins, and a Nick Schmaltz marquee rookie for the Blackhawks. Braden Point retro rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and a Nikita Trampkin marquee rookie for the Canucks. Oops, wrong pile. Tyler Bozak tracks for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Tobias Lindbergh, rainbow rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and also for the Leafs, a marquee rookie of Nikita Shushnikov. Nice for the Toronto Maple Leafs, platinum phenoms, Auston Matthews, and an Anthony Mantha marquee rookie for the Wings. There you go, Ben. Not a bad insert there. Probably sells pretty well. Hope to pull you that auto later on. Patrick Laine, rookie, retro rookie for the Jets, and a Josh Morrissey marquee rookie for the Jets as well. gold for the Anaheim Ducks, John Gibson. Seismic gold, number 23 of only 50 for the Ducks. And Sonny Milano, marquee rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Nice gold for Grocery Stick and the Ducks. Puck Personas, Taylor Hall for the New Jersey Devils, and a Jesse Puljujarvi marquee rookie for the Oilers. Matthew Tkachuk, retro rookie for the Flames, and a Tom Kunako marquee rookie for the Penguins. Looks like we have an orange. We do. Patrice Bergeron for the Boston Bruins, 24 of 25, rainbow orange. Goes to Sibley and the Bruins. Nice hit there. I love the orange. It looks so nice. Love the color in platinum. Anthony Boulevier, marquee rookie for the New York Islanders, and also for the Islanders, Matthew Barzal, marquee rookie. We got a tracks of Andre Burakovsky for the Washington Capitals, and a Chris Bigras marquee rookie for the Colorado Avalanche. Any green are the ones out of 10, Ben, are you talking about? Kuznetsov, Washington Capitals, retro, and a Jacob Chychrun marquee rookie for the Arizona Coyotes. Yeah, I pulled the rookie for Anaheim out of 10. Not autoed, but the base one. Ryan O'Reilly rainbow for the Buffalo Sabres. And somebody hit one in their personal box too that I opened for them. Was it for you, Griff? Did I pull that? Was it Larson or something for you, Griffey man? Noah Hannafin retro for the Carolina retro rainbow for the Carolina Hurricanes. Yeah, Larson. I know I picked the Larson, but I think somebody else got one in a personal box or something. But I can't remember what it is. Matt Zuccarello, New York Rangers rainbow, and a Frederick Gauthier marquee rookie for the Leafs. And our auto looks like a blue cube, or no, just a blue rainbow. For the Philadelphia Flyers, a Jakub Voracek. Jakub Voracek, blue rainbow auto for the Philadelphia Flyers to end off the break. That's Kid TNT. And a marquee rookie of Boston Bruins, Danton Heinen. I have one random to do, guys, between the Florida Panthers and the Buffalo Sabres. I'll do that right now. Just clean up a bit here and randomize that off. All right. Four times. Go back to the list. Florida is on the left. Florida and Buffalo. Good luck, guys. Whoever has Florida and Buffalo. Sibley and that's Florida. Terry Berry. Good luck, guys. On 4, as the dice says. Oh, let me bring it over closer on the screen here. On 4, guys. Florida, Aaron Ekblad, UD Canvas, Young Guns checklist with Sam Reinhart. On 4, guys. Top team on 4 wins the card. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4th and final. The Buffalo Sabres on 4. Congrats to Sibley. Sorry, Terry Berry. That card will go to the Buffalo Sabres. Thank you all for joining and filling that up. That was a very nice break. Draisaitl Young Gun. We got Koklachev Young Gun canvas or Young Gun exclusive. You got the Young Gun canvas right here that I just showed. And a few other nice hits. The Gretzky. A few others in there as well. Thank you very much, guys. See you all on Wednesday for more breaks. Thank you very much. Don't forget to check out sandbaggercards.com for upcoming breaks.